Cleft grafting. In performing cleft or simple grafting, you will need to prepare the following: a grafting knife, a grafting tape or any available plastic tie, a rootstock, plastic, and a Scion. First, identify the active growth part of the plant. This is mostly found in the center of the stem and has a clash of color green and brown. It is the matured part of the plant that is capable of any propagation method. Use this part for the union. Remove first the leaves near the area to be grafted. Split the center of the rootstock from top to down at 3 cm deep or depending on the size and type of the plant. Make a long wedge in the Scion's base. Cut the side of the wedge enough to fit into the split center of the rootstock. Slightly open the cut part in the rootstock, then insert the Scion into the split center. Tie the union. Ito na. Start tying the part below, counterclockwise going up, then clockwise going down. Cover the upper part of the union with plastic.